Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will be talking about top 2 features in Microsoft PowerPoint. Say hello to AI in MS PowerPoint and make your life very easy and save lots and lots of time. Imagine having a personal assistant that can help you create a stunning slide and also deliver very confident presentation and gives you a real-time feedback.
PowerPoint designer. So let's say I have this very basic landing slides. I want more, professionally layout designs. For this, I'll click on this designer option and it has created numbers of, design options for me. It's in GIF format or in the static image format. So it has given me, I think, more than 13 design ideas. Like if I am not very convinced, I can click on more, show more ideas, and it will show you more and more options. So I think I finally like this one, so I'll go ahead with this. It's like instant design and zero effort. I loved it. The next one is Rehearse with Coach, where if you are having any issues of public speaking, this AI tool is a game changer. You just need to go click on the start rehearsing button and it will start giving you feedback on your real time. Let's explore this. Hi everyone, I will be explaining about how to design dynamic data visualizations in this slide, and I will tell you how to improve your design ideas, etc. I'll start typing all of this and it will give you a real time feedback. If you can see at the left button, it said this is the filler that I'm using lots and time in this presentation, so it is giving me that. I recently used a filler, so that is also the option. So this is our team and we'll be working on this project, and this is all about this presentations. Thank you for being a patient listener. So let's say my presentation ended. Now it will give me a very comprehensive rehearsal report, like how I should avoid using filler words, how should I improvise my tone, and even the body language if your camera is on. At the end, you will get a full report on what to improve, whether you used any repetitive language or not, what was the originality of your presentations that you have, narrated. If you want to explore in very detail about each of these pointers, you can click on learn more and it will take you to the website of Microsoft, and here you have detailed explanation of each and every terms that is mentioned in the report, and along with the recommendations how you can do the better audience engagement, how you can improvise your body language, along with the recommendations. So this is the very it saves your time. It also help you boost your confidence and make your presentation stand out. So if you find this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more AI powered tips in PowerPoint or Office applications. Thanks for watching.